Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a recipe for you, but I wanted to talk to you about your meats if you have a deep freezer. I threw away, I have 2 deep freezers. That's how bad I was at hoarding. I got in one of my deep freezers the other day and got down in the bottom, and I had some meats in there that had been there since 2016. I threw them away, including one, I can't even think of what it was now, but it was $40. It was a huge, huge, huge piece of meat that I had gotten, and I mean, it was a trash bag full of meats because I was scared that the meats weren't good after 3 years. I do not know how long meats last in your deep freezer. I'm going to, let me see this one. These are ribeyes that have been in my freezer since January the 11th, 2017. They've been frozen the whole time. There is no bad smell. They smell just like they would have if I had put them in there yesterday. They're not freezer burnt or anything. They're ribeyes. And like I said, I'm asking y'all, how long do you let your meats stay in your freezer? If it's for years and I threw that stuff away the other day, I'm gonna be real upset. But I've got 2 ribeyes here, and I'm just cutting these up, and I'm gonna make steak bites with them. And then I have 2 other ones here. I'm not even really sure. Let me see if you can see these. I don't even really know what they were. I think that they were ribeyes too. I'm not really sure. I think these were ribeyes from Kroger's that I got probably the summer before last, and they're still as pink as they were when I put them in here. So I'm gonna make some steak bites today. I'm gonna cut these up into pieces, and I will bring you back when I get them cut up, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do from there. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, now I've got all my steak cut up in this bowl. In my frying pan right there, I've got a half a stick of butter and 1 tablespoon, I measured it, of avocado oil. Let me get out. Alright. And I'm just getting this hot because I'm going to be frying these. Alright, and now I'm going to put my seasonings on here. And in my little cup here, I have 1 tablespoon of Lowry seasoning salt. I have 1 tablespoon of this Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. I really, really like this. I think I got it at Walmart. I'm pretty sure I did. But it's Cavender's. I've got 3/4 of a tablespoon of kosher salt and 3/4 of a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. And I've mixed this all together, and I'm just going to pour it over the steak. And then I'm going to put the lid on this bowl. And I'm going to shake this. Make sure it's on here good. I'm going to shake this all up. Make sure this seasoning is all on these pieces of steak. All throughout the steak or whatever. And then I'm going to put them in here. And I'm going to fry them with the butter and the avocado oil. And then I've got a dip that I saw the other day, and I just had to try this. It's a Oh my gosh, I cannot even, my brain just went totally off of the subject. Horseradish. A horseradish dip. I really kind of like horseradish because I like the, but anyway, a lot of times it's just too strong. So she used mayonnaise, and I'm going to do that, and I'm going to see if I like it better than regular. I went to the store and got some horseradish sauce or whatever. I had the last jar that I had, I gave it to Regina because I just couldn't eat it. But it's really kind of weird. I have a love-hate relationship with it, I reckon. But anyway, I'm gonna put some mayonnaise in it and see if that won't make it so it's not so spicy. And this what she did, but I don't think she made her steak bites like I am. I think she put different seasonings or whatever on there. But I'm gonna do this and try this, and this is gonna be my dinner for tonight, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, my let me show you. My steak bites are done, and I am going to mix this. I've got this Prima Delicatessen horseradish sauce, and I have Duke's mayonnaise. Now, I saw this, it was Overcoming Emily. I saw this the other day. She made some steak bites, but she didn't make them like I did or whatever. But she did use this horseradish. Well, I don't know which kind she used, but she did use horseradish and mayonnaise. And that's what I want to do. I want to try this and see if I can eat some horseradish sauce, because like I said, I've got a love-hate relationship with horseradish. So I'm going to put in a couple of spoonfuls of mayonnaise. And this is a big bowl for me to use for this, but whatever. Alright, and I'm going, let me shake this up. Okay. And I'm going to put some of the, that might be too much. Alright, now let me taste this. I could put a little bit more. Oh, that'll probably be too much. Nah, I think this'll really cut that bite or whatever. I said before, as I've gotten older, I like more spicy things, but then some things I don't. Alright, now I'm going to get one of these steak bites. Because I'm going to fix my plate, but I'm going to get one of them and taste it with this horseradish sauce on there. Oh, she knew what she was doing. I actually could put some more. That mayonnaise really cuts this. Oh my goodness. And these steak bites, let me show you. These steak bites are amazing. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get my plate. With it just being me here, I'm gonna use paper plates. Let me get my plate and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so here's my steak bites. And here's my horseradish sauce. I'm gonna try another one of these. Oh my gosh. Alright, now let me dip it in here and show you. Oh my gosh. This is amazing, y'all. I can't believe, as much as I've tried to like horseradish over the years and had that love-hate relationship, wanting to taste it, but it being a little bit, I don't know how to even describe it. It just didn't meld with my mouth. I can't believe I never thought to mix mayonnaise in with it. I'm telling y'all, I just do not. I mean, like these steak bites, I got the idea of these from the Overcoming Emily. This, I know that I've got a recipe, not this one. This one I did totally myself. So I was out of the box on this one. But I just can't believe that I never thought to use mayonnaise and horseradish together. And this is so good. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this on your Facebook, your Pinterest, your Twitter, wherever. And you have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.